8 reasons why everyone should be growing this easy houseplant at home. Spider plants produce abundant baby offshoots that root easily in soil or water, rapidly multiplying into lush green clumps, just like in their native West Africa. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but also tolerate dim corners, staying lush without sun damage, perfect for shady rooms and filtered spaces. Spider plants act like green air filters, removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, perfect for stuffy homes or city apartments. They even boost nighttime oxygen levels. Spider plants store water in their roots, bouncing back after dry spells, perfect for travelers or forgetful plant parents. They stay perky even after a week without watering. Spider plants are non-toxic to cats and dogs, making them a safe, worry-free choice for pet-friendly homes, even if your furry friend takes a nibble. Spider plants thrive in temps from 55 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, adapting easily to seasonal indoor shifts without stress, perfect for year-round growth. Spider plants act like natural humidifiers, releasing moisture through their leaves to combat dry air, perfect for winter indoors. Spider plants bring cascading drama to any space, turning shelves or hanging planters into lush, jungle-like focal points with minimal effort.